to another baking video. Now, as you can see, I am in full stay-at-home lockdown attire today, and the theme of this lockdown for me has been baking. So today we are making a vegan banana bread. This is a recipe taken from BBC Good Food, honestly one of my all-time favourites, definitely a go-to site for some nice simple recipes. So let's get cracking. Right, so first of all, we have got some black bananas here. They have been waiting on the side specifically to make this banana bread. So we're gonna get 3 and we are gonna mash them all together. There we go. I'm going to save a banana for the top because I'm gonna slice it in half and place it on the top of the cake. So anyway, let's do this. Right, got my fork. Let's get mashing. Wow. I definitely waited long enough. This is so easy. They're mashing right up. Right, there we go. That was quick and easy. Now, I'm especially excited for this banana bread because it has cinnamon and nutmeg and ginger in it, which are some of my favourite flavours, and so I just think that with banana bread, I cannot wait. It's going to be delicious. Okay, so now I believe we add the oil. 75 grams of vegetable or sunflower oil. Now, do I convert grams to millilitres? Oh, okay. It's like, so 75 grams is 75 millilitres. That's easy. We can do that. I'm using sunflower oil, but that's just because it's what we had. There we go. Pour that in. Lovely. Now at the same time, we are going to mix in 100 grams of brown sugar. I have got light brown soft sugar, so we'll just measure that out quickly. Getting close, getting close. Oh, we're at 90, oh, 98, 99, 100. 100 grams of light brown soft sugar. In you go. Got my trusty wooden spoon and we're just gonna mix this in. Oh, got a lump of sugar in there. Right, simple. That is already done and mixed. Now we're gonna start adding our dry ingredients. So, add 225 grams of plain flour. Okie doke. 225 grams coming up. Okay, 26 grams. Oh, yeah, 26 grams. That's okay. 1 gram over is okay. We'll probably lose that when I sieve it in anyway. Let's go. I'll actually do this very neatly. Normally it goes absolutely everywhere. Not quite sure what I'm doing differently, but not complaining. Fabulous. We don't need you. Let's do it. Tip that in. Oh, there we go. There's a little bit of fallout. That's probably our gram. Now we want 3 heaped teaspoons of baking powder. 1, 2, 3. And then it says you can do 3 teaspoons of cinnamon or you can use mixed spice. So I've run out of my mixed spice, but it's essentially cinnamon, nutmeg and ginger. So I'm just gonna do a teaspoon of each. And actually measuring it this time. Normally I don't measure spice, normally I just chuck it all on in there. So there we go, there's the cinnamon done. Now I don't actually have much ginger left, in fact. I'll just put ginger in there, there we go. And then nutmeg. There we go. So you can also put dried fruit or nuts in, but I'm not gonna do that. So it's just a case of mixing this all in and trying not to make a mess. Right, there we go. Looking and smelling like banana. Okay, it's time to get it ready to go in the oven. I have a loaf tin here and I also have a loaf liner, which is just a game changer, makes it so much easier when you are making loaf cakes. Even with the liner, I always like to put a little bit of margarine or butter in there just to ensure that my cake just falls out of the tin. And it's always done so far, so don't see why this time will be any different. Right, there we go. And I'll pop that back in there. It's definitely lost its shape a little bit, but I just picked up the butter side of that. Fantastic.
I can just tell you're trying not to throw a hissy fit whilst the camera's rolling.
It's like I'm washing it off straight away. There we go, done with you. Time to put the cake mix in. This is where I do. Actually, it's not naughty to eat this because there's no raw egg in it. Normally it's naughty to try cake mix, but this is fine. Okay, so now that we have the mix in the tin, I am going to slice one of these bananas. Well, try to, it was just falling apart earlier. And I'm going to pop it on the top. I will show you what I mean. And the recipe doesn't actually say to do this, but my whole inspiration for making this cake is that one of my colleagues made it and it was absolutely incredible. And she did this, so I'm copying her there. Okay, I've managed to keep that as a whole banana. Oh, I hate the feeling of mushy banana. Oh my goodness. Okay, that is sliced.
Are you struggling?
Yeah, it's not very nice. Right, let's put you there and you there. Okay, let me show you what I've done. If I tip this, let's hope it doesn't, oh my gosh, it's almost, there we go. There you go, you can see. So it's sliced banana in the top there. Right, time to get it in the oven. So, what do we cook at? 180 degree fan. Okay, so you bake it for 20 minutes and then check it. And if it started browning, you cover it with foil and then bake it for another 20 minutes. And obviously, you've got to do the good old knife test. Let's put the oven on. If you have watched my videos before, you know that I never preheat the oven because otherwise the food would just burn if I put it in for the time period it says. It just seems to cook hot. I know that sounds ridiculous, but yeah. Oh, all ovens are different, aren't they? So, let's pop this in. It's a good job I didn't preheat it because I would have just burnt myself well and truly. Right, timer for 20 minutes, done. And then we'll see what the situation is. Time to clear up. But this has been quite well maintained. There's not a lot to do here, so shouldn't take too long. Got one banana left, don't know what I'm gonna do with that because it is manky, but you know. Be right back. Okay, so it has been 20 minutes and I've just had a little peek and it is definitely brown on top. So I'm gonna put some tin foil on it. Look, definitely brown. So tin foil time. Okay, the timer has gone off. It is time to get out the banana bread. The knife was clean, so there we have our banana bread. It is taste test time. There you go. I'm gonna get banana bread. Oh.
I thought it was all made of banana.
No, but banana at the top. It's yummy. It's stodgy.
It should have been, didn't you?
Yes.
You should put more than the ingredients.
No, I didn't. I measured it. I measured it. I promise you.
Not set only because you have a thing for cinnamon.
No, I actually measured it. Yum. It's really fluffy, isn't it?
That's very good.
This is very yummy. And it's so easy. And it's vegan. It does stitch the roof of your mouth though. But anyway, there we go. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you again soon. Bye bye.